back here with Ashley's Cookie Creations. Ashley's got some cookie batter here, all made up, and she ain't got time to make it today, so she's gonna explain to you guys how you can bake them later.
So I got my chocolate chip M&M cookie dough batter, and I'm just gonna scoop it. And I like to use this cookie scoop so they're all uniform in size. And put it on some parchment paper on a baking pan. So I'm just gonna scoop all my dough out and go ahead and act like I was gonna bake them right now, even though I'm gonna freeze them. That way I can just pop them in the freezer and they'll freeze like this and keep their shape, and then I can throw them in a freezer safe baggie, and they'll be easy to bake whenever I'm ready to bake them.
Alright guys, so that's an easy trick for you. If you ain't got time to bake them today, you got to deal with your kids, you got something else going on, you can just go ahead and make your batter, scoop them out, put them on your paper and freeze them later. And when you got time, you can bake them tomorrow.
So here is our frozen dough, and they're perfect cookie shapes. So they're pretty firm to the touch. They've only been in the freezer for about 30 minutes. And now we're just gonna put them each in here individually and fill the bag with them and freeze them, and you can pop them out one by one, however you want to do it, however many cookies you need. You just take them out, put them on the baking pan, and bake them as you normally would. Alright, here's some dough that we have frozen. This is the cookies that they made. It's perfect because you can just choose exactly how many cookies you want to make. If you want to make one, that's good. If you want to make a dozen, whatever, because they're all individual cookies, so you can just do whatever you want to.